If your microwave looks like it belongs in a scrapyard, you're missing out on a quick fix. Microwaves are kitchen heroes, but when they break, it can be a real bummer. Don't worry, fixing common issues is easier and faster than you think. First, if your microwave isn't heating, it could be a faulty diode. Pop it open, swap it out and boom. Back to hot meals in minutes. Next, if buttons are unresponsive, the keypad might need replacing. Just peel off the old one, stick on the new, and you're good to go. And lastly, a turntable that won't spin is usually a simple motor fix. A quick swap and your food is back to rotating like it's on a merry-go-round. So don't toss it, fix it. With these easy steps, your microwave will be back to its magical food zapping self in no time. Happy fixing!